Hello everyone, I hope all you good. Today we are here. Have you ever had a dream so big, so powerful that it wouldn't let you sleep at night? Not the kind of dream you see with your eyes closed, but the kind that keeps your eyes wide open. Today I want to share with you a cute that can change your life forever. Dream is not what you see in sleep. It is the thing which doesn't let you sleep. Today I want to talk to you about something that has completely changed my life and can change your life too. Is not money, is not luck, is not some secret billionaire code. Is time, yes, time, the only resource that everyone has an equal amount every single day. Rich people, poor people, smart people, not so smart people, also all of us get 24 hours a day. But here's the funny part, some people spend their 24 hours getting rich, getting healthier, getting smarter, getting stronger, while others spend their 24 hours on social media, learning how to make noodles with firecrackers. What are you doing, my friend? So, today I want to ask you a simple but powerful question. Are you spending your time to make yourself better? Are you spending your time to make someone else richer while you stay the same? Let's talk about it. When I was young and mean very young, I had no money, no connection, no good business grades. I failed school so many times I thought the word fail was part of my name. But the one thing I had time, and I realized earlier, if I don't use my time wisely, I will always be poor. If you don't learn how to spend time improving yourself, you will always work for someone who does. Let me say that again. Don't learn how to spend time improving yourself, you will always work for someone who does, and that's not a bad thing. But if you want freedom, if you want growth, if you want change, then you must respect your time like you respect money. Better yet, respect it more than money. You can lose money and get it back, but once time is gone, boom, it's gone. You can't rewind, you can't press on life. My friend, this is not Microsoft Word. Mercy, young people today say things like I need work life balance, I need to rest, I need vacation, I deserve it. Wait. What are you balancing? Are you balancing poverty and laziness? When I was in my 20s and 30s, I don't have balance. I had urgency. Every day I told myself, if you don't get better, you will be stuck. No one is coming to rescue you. No magic fairy is dropping money from the sky. Your only weapon is you. Your mind, your skills, your habits. Let me give you a funny example. If you are broke and you say, I'm doing to relax this weekend, go clubbing, spending time with friends, enjoy life, but is in is office reading books about quantum computing. Elon Musk is watching videos about rockets and physics. Opera is interviewing psychologists about human behavior. Do you see what's happening? You are partying, they are preparing, that's why they are billionaires. And that's why you are looking for Wi-Fi and start backs. Don't get me wrong, enjoy life, but don't over celebrate your average life. Work hard now so you can later. Don't rest now and suffer later. Let me ask you, if your boss friend you today, could you survive? If Instagram disappears today, can your business still exist? If they remove your university degree, can you still bring value to the market? That's the real question. You see, school gave you a paper, a certificate, but life doesn't care about certificates. Life cares about skills. If you know how to sell, you will never be broke. If you know how to write, you will always find a way. If you know how to think, you always create value. And here's the good news, skills are free to learn. YouTube is free, Google is free. Libraries are free. Free courses everywhere. The only thing stopping you is Netflix and your relationship with social media. Every time you say, I don't have time, check your screen time. Don't lie to yourself. You are not tired, you are just distracted. Spend 1 hour a day learning something new, and in one year you will be smarter than 99% of your friends. Let me be honest, the world is moving fast, very fast. Artificial intelligence, blockchain, robotics, transfers, digital transformation. If you are not growing, you are falling behind. It's like being on an escalator that's moving decode worse. If you just stand still, you go down. The only way to go up is to climb every day, even if isn't slow. One of my favorite saying is success is not about gain later. It's about small step taken every day. You don't need to read so book today, just read 10 pages. You don't need to become a millionaire in 1 month, just save $10 a day. You don't need to be perfect, just be consistent. This one is very important. You want success, you want greatness, then stop chasing excitement. Start embarrassing. The real magic happens when no one is watching. You think I became successful by doing existing thing every day? No, most of my success come from doing boring things again and again. Writing emails, learning English vocabulary, reading business book, practice presentation front of to the mirror. In front of to the mirror. Very boring but very necessary. If you can't boring, if you can do boring thing with discipline, your life will become exciting. But if you only chase exciting things, your life will become boring. Big difference. Some you will say, but I am not a morning person. Let me tell you, success doesn't care if you are a morning person or a night ullu. But discipline does. If you wake up every day with no plans, no goals, no learning, you are just existing, not living. I always tell young people, wake up before your excuse do. If your excuse wakes up at 8 a.m., you better be awake by 7:30. If your laziness start talking at 9 a.m., shut it down at 8 show. You Ming, who's the boss? You want a better life, you must fight. For it, everyday success is not given. It is earned with habits, with sweat, with pain. Look around you. Who are you, friends? Are they talking about investment or only gossip? Are they discussing idea of just complaining? Are they pushing you to? Are they pushing you to grow or pulling you down? With meditation, if your circle is not helping you grow, then your circle is your cage. And here's the trick, you don't have to be rude, just be busy. When they say, "Hi, let's hang out," say, "Sorry, I'm busy learning more things." When they say, "Let's go drink," say, "No thanks, I'm attending a webinar." They will laugh you, but in 5 years they will say, "How did you become successful?" You will say, "Remember all those times I was busy." That's how motivation is like a shower. You need it daily, but it doesn't last. Discipline is like muscles. You build over time and stay strong. You think, "I was motivated every day when started." No way. I was scared, I was confused, I was broke, but I had discipline. I woke up, I worked, I failed, I respect every day. Some people say I'm waiting for the right time. Let me tell you, the right time is now. There is no perfect time to start. There's only today is expensive. Doesn't waste it. Imagine your future self, the version of your 5 years from now. Neither whether wiser, successful now. Imagine that version of you can see everything you are doing today. Would they be proud of you, or would they say, "Why are you watching cut videos again?" Every time you feel lazy, think about this. Your future self is cheering for. Don't let them down. Now don't take life too seriously. Laugh a little, enjoy the process, make fun of your failures, tell stories, dance sometimes, even if you dance like a confused chicken, but don't stop learning. You can be funny and focused. You can be happy and hungry for growth. You can be broke today, but you better be busy. Busy getting better, because the most dangerous thing in life is not poverty, it's staying the same. So, my friends, what are you going to do with your time? Watch movies, more drama, or write your own story? Scroll endlessly or study internationally? Make excuse or make progress. You are not born to be average. You are not born to just pay bills and die. You are born to create a build. You are born to create a building, to grow, to inspire, but you must choose it. Every day use your time like a weapon, like a tool, like a loader. Spend time to make yourself better, and world will become better with you. And if you ever feel discouraged, just remember what I always say. Today is hard, tomorrow is harder, but the day after tomorrow is beautiful. Most people die on tomorrow. Don't die on tomorrow. My friend, live for the beautiful future is waiting for you. Thank you very much.